if 30% of A is added to 40% of B, then the answer is 80% of B. And you know, simple one. 30% of A, 30% of A is added to 40% of B equal to, so answer is 80% of B. And so percentage means inti kada, right? So now 80%, 40% అవుతుంది, 30% of A equal to remaining 40% of B. So percentage cancel, 0 0 cancel. So A is to B, A by B equal to 4/3. So question ఏమంటే మనకి, then what percentage of A is B అంట. What means any variable, is means percentage means 100, of means into A means A value 4 is equal to B value 3. So 4 1s 4 25s, so 75%. So ఎంత మాత్రం ఆప్షన్ D.